Welcome back. Time now for another quick bite with Hy-Vee Dietitian Kaiti George.
Hello.
Hello.
We are doing a heart healthy recipe today for February, being Heart Month. And so I'm just going to utilize some components in this dish that is going to be very heart healthy. And this is titled White Bean and Tomato Bruschetta Salad.
Very unique.
And I love bruschetta, so
I do too.
I'm all in already. So incredibly easy. You know, we talk about quick bites. This is honestly maybe one of our quickest. So first ingredient is going to be a can of white beans or Great Northern beans. I would love you to choose the low sodium option just as a heart health property. You're going to want to rinse and drain that, and we're just going to throw one can into the bowl here. Beans, heart healthy, great fiber component as well, so there's a ton of great benefits about beans. I talk about beans a lot. So next up is going to be some garlic. So one of the heart health properties is truly to try to flavor our foods with herbs and spices versus always using salt or a fat of some sort. So we are going to utilize some garlic here, and are you at more garlic the merrier?
I do like garlic, yeah.
So it's about a teaspoon-ish, right? And we utilize the squeezable garlic because you can keep it in your refrigerator. It's already done for you.
I think this is the first time I've seen the squeezable.
It is delicious. I love it. Awesome. Utilize it in many, many of our classes. Next up, we are going to use a can of diced tomatoes. And diced tomatoes do have some great heart health properties as well. And so if you want to use fresh, if you have a plethora of fresh, not this time usually, but canned or fresh will work. And we're going to just throw that in as well. Finally, we are going to use a couple other seasonings, and one of them is going to be basil. So our Gourmet Gardens basil, this is again found in produce, squeezable. It tastes exactly like fresh basil, but you don't have to throw it away. You can keep it in your refrigerator for quite some time. This is what's going to give it some jazz. So squeezable basil. And then finally, a few more components. One of them is going to be balsamic vinegar, a component of bruschetta for sure. And you're going to do about a tablespoon of that. Olive oil, another heart health property, great monounsaturated fats. This is going to kind of blend it and bring it all together. So you're going to do a couple teaspoons of that. And then finally, we are going to add just a little bit of mozzarella cheese because that's a component of bruschetta as well. Heart health, we do want to focus on that. 2% or low-fat mozzarella cheese because it's just going to be a little bit less saturated fat. So just a little bit of that. From here, we're just going to stir it together. Super simple. So this actually works good as just even like a little side salad. You could top chicken or fish with this, but just for a way to incorporate a little bit more produce into our diet, again, heart health properties, we are gonna put this on a bed of some lettuce. So let's see if we can get this open. We're just gonna take just a little bit of lettuce and put it on our plate, and we're gonna throw it all over in the process. And then from here, we're gonna top this with our tomato basil bruschetta.
Ooh, this smells really good.
It does smell so good. And this can be a side salad. You can utilize this as your main dish. If you want to throw a protein source on, you absolutely could. But it is incredibly heart healthy with all of the components added in it.
Okay, great. Kaiti, thanks.